Did you know your browser might soon be smarter than your coworker? Microsoft just dropped a game-changing update to Edge. It's called Copilot Mode, an AI assistant built right into your browser that doesn't just answer your questions. It anticipates your next move. Imagine researching vacation deals, crafting a vegan dinner, or even booking a flight, without clicking a dozen tabs or typing out everything. Sounds futuristic? Well, the future's already here. But is it revolutionary, or just another tech experiment? Today, we're diving deep into what Microsoft Copilot Mode actually does, how it works, and whether it's the beginning of a new era for AI-powered web browsing, or just more hype from Redmond. Let's get into it. The browser is no longer just a window to the internet. It's becoming a full-blown digital assistant. As demand for AI integration heats up, Microsoft is betting big on turning Edge into more than a place to browse. Enter Copilot Mode, a feature designed to turn your web browser into an intelligent companion. It's part of a growing trend, integrating large language models directly into our digital workflows, where they don't just respond, they collaborate. And Microsoft isn't alone here. Google's working on its own AI-powered browser tools, and even startups are launching AI-first browsers like Arc and Sigma OS. But with Copilot Mode, Microsoft might have just taken the lead. So what is Copilot Mode? In short, it's an AI assistant baked into Microsoft Edge that can browse the web with you. Think of it as ChatGPT living right in your browser tab. But it goes a step further. It understands the context of the page you're on, interprets your intent, and can take action on your behalf. Here's how it works. When you enable Copilot Mode, which is opt-in and currently experimental, you'll get a new tab interface where you can search, chat, and navigate the web with the AI. Let's say you're reading a recipe blog and wondering, can I make this vegan? Normally, you'd copy-paste the recipe into ChatGPT or Google Substitutions. With Copilot, you just ask directly while staying on the page. The AI understands what you're looking at and gives suggestions right there. Or maybe you just want the recipe itself without the 1,500-word essay about how it changed someone's life. Copilot can extract it for you. That alone might be worth it. Take a look.
Can you find a place to paddleboard close to work that has afternoon rentals?
I recommend Adventure Works. Should I book it for you?
If it's sunny, let's try for next Wednesday, after work.
It looks like it'll be a sunny 98 degrees, so I've booked paddleboarding next Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Which of these hotels is walkable to the beach and has a kitchenette?
This has the shortest walk to the beach and has a full kitchen. It's available for your dates. Would you like to book it?
Yes.
Do you want to finish building the website for your new business?
Yeah, can you go back to that section of the video on how to add images?
Here you go.
Can you skip the life story and get to the recipe? And give it to me in cups and Fahrenheit.
Here you go.
Where Copilot really shines is context awareness. Most AI assistants work in a vacuum. You tell them what you want, and they try to guess what you mean. But Copilot Mode can view the actual page you're on. It sees what you're reading, understands what tabs you have open, with your permission, and helps you synthesize all that information. For instance, comparing products across multiple sites. Copilot can summarize differences. Researching travel. It can help you compare hotel or flight prices across tabs. And planning a project. Copilot can track your research and even suggest the next step when you come back later. This ability to look over your digital shoulder turns AI from a passive tool into a proactive collaborator. But Copilot isn't just about answering questions, it's about doing things for you. Microsoft says it's working toward agentic AI, where the assistant doesn't just help, it acts. Right now, Copilot can draft content, create shopping lists, book appointments, and even help reserve flights or hotel rooms. You can talk to it via voice, which is a big win for accessibility. Whether you're not comfortable with tech or you have mobility challenges, voice input adds a layer of usability that's long overdue in browsers. That said, not everything works perfectly, yet. Booking something like a hotel room still requires a lot of back and forth. It's not always faster than doing it yourself, especially if you're already familiar with a site like Booking.com or Kayak. But it shows where this tech is going. Of course, having an AI assistant that reads your tabs and interacts with your content raises the big question. What about privacy? Microsoft is very clear. Copilot only accesses your browsing data when you allow it. You'll see visual indicators when it's actively assisting. The goal is transparency. Still, the idea of a browser AI that can watch and listen as you search might unsettle some users. It's a delicate balance between helpfulness and overreach, and Microsoft knows it. That's why Copilot Mode is currently optional, and the more advanced capabilities, like storing your history, credentials, or automating personal tasks, are still in the works. Copilot Mode isn't just another edge feature, it's a signal. We're moving into a phase of the internet where the browser isn't just a tool you use. It's an intelligent agent that helps you think, shop, plan, and decide. This is what tech insiders are calling the agentic web, where your software becomes your assistant. Microsoft's Copilot Mode might be rough around the edges today, but it's a glimpse of what's coming. Browsers that help you manage your day, or AI that remembers what you were working on, and a web experience designed around your intent, not just your clicks. This could be as big a shift as the move from desktop software to the cloud, or even from mobile to AI. So, is Copilot Mode the future of web browsing? Maybe. Right now, it's still experimental. But the promise is clear: a browser that's less of a tool and more of a teammate. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to browse the web with you, or would you rather keep your tabs private? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into how AI is reshaping the way we live, work, and think, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.